Welcome to my channel. Today's story is Hardworking is the key to success. In a faraway village lives a hardworking farmer who has grapes fields. Year after year, his grapery gives rich harvest and the farmer becomes very successful. He has 3 sons who are young and energetic but never bother to work. As the farmer grows old, he begins to worry about his son's future. Then he falls ill and realized his death is fast approaching. He called his sons and told them, "Dear sons, I see my death near me, but before I bid goodbye to you, I want to share a secret." He told them, "There is a treasure hidden under the fields. Dig the entire field after my death to find it." The old farmer dies. His sons performed last rites. The sons begin to dig for the treasure without leaving any part of the field, but found nothing. However, their digging of the field leads to the cultivation of healthy crop and results in huge earning. These earnings make the sons realize what their father meant. Moral is, hard work always pays off. A dream does not become reality through magic. It takes sweet determination and hard work.